I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade Italian dressing. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality olive oil, about 1/2 cup, and 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar for that classic tang. Next, measure out 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 teaspoon of dried basil to build the aromatic base. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a subtle kick. Once your ingredients are measured, it's time to combine them. Pour everything into a small bowl and whisk vigorously until well emulsified, or simply shake it all together in a jar with a tight lid. For the best flavor, let the dressing rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows the herbs and spices to fully infuse the oil and vinegar. Finally, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference, perhaps a pinch more salt or pepper. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade dressing. Keep it in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Before each use, give it a good shake to re-emulsify. For a slightly thicker dressing and better emulsification, try adding 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to the mix. You can also customize the flavor by incorporating fresh herbs such as parsley or chives for a vibrant, fresh twist. Your delicious homemade Italian dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect drizzled over a crisp green salad, tossed with pasta salad, or even as a flavorful addition to roasted vegetables. Don't limit yourself to salads. It also makes an excellent marinade for chicken, fish, or pork, adding a wonderful zest before grilling or baking. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.